In a world which is dealing presently with a global pandemic and all governments are working hard for days, weeks, and months for the well being of their citizens, there are a certain set of people called as IDPs or internally displaced people or refugees who are resigning life of desolation and deprivation, leaving their identity behind in a quest for a safe and secure life at refugee camps, exposed to different forms of ignorance, hunger, abuse, and poverty. They struggle hard to get a stable environment. These people in a normal life are devoid of basic health infrastructure, and it becomes even a difficult task to contain pandemic like COVID-19 in the camps where they stay.
With permeated object infrastructure, healthcare remains a cause of concern in these camps, with most of the healthcare centers being primary and operating under tanks. This is one area where authorities must advance. In order to achieve this difficult task, we need an inclusive effort of technology, design, and engagement. Hence, we are proposing an idea which is politically acceptable, socially desirable, technologically feasible, financially viable, administratively doable, and judicially tenable. Alongside this, we have also tried to keep the process aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Goals. Hence, we are targeting Goal 3, which is good health and well-being, Goal 9, which is industry, innovation, and infrastructure, and Goal 16, which is peace, justice, and strong institutions.
With technology invading almost every sector of the world, the area of the health care is no different. Leveraging the power of IT in the healthcare sector is going to be a boon. Recharging of remotest locations, including the refugee camps.
Digital dispensary is one such way that can ease out the way of work and transfer medical facilities. The digital dispensary centers function as an OPD with virtual consultation with doctors residing and practicing in any part of the world through video. The dispensaries at the camps can be equipped with the basics but advanced essential set of investigations such as routine testing of urine, blood, hemoglobin, blood sugar, malaria, dengue, BP, ECG, and pregnancy detection. These can all be achieved by the cohesive efforts of local government, UNHCR, NGOs, private infrastructure players, inhabitants at the camps, and most importantly, the healthcare workers.
Our app Midfusey, which provides medical facilities to refugees, keeps all this in check and helps the health workers on ground to reach the specialized doctor across the globe via video conferencing. The app is designed to integrate both the doctors and beneficiaries on a single platform, helping the staff on ground to connect with an available doctor post an initial checkup of the patient at the health center or at their homes in case of old or immobility patients.
An appointment can be booked basis the availability of the doctor through the app, and post connect all the reports can be uploaded, stored, and secured safely at the central server. These reports can be digitally downloaded during regular follow-ups with the same or different doctor.
The cost of running this app will be low as the specialist assistance by doctors will be given on pro bono participation, keeping in view the humanitarian aspects.
Network infra, including connectivity and server support, too can be procured on a pro bono basis or at low financial cost from the industry. Overall, the cost will remain less and will be a low burden on the existing allotted healthcare funds.
The world is already battling a humanitarian crisis, and the solution to this can only be humanity. With a touch of technology, happy serving.